Hello Year 1 students, this is Ola again, and today I'm going to discuss with you Unit 6. We're going to study together compound words. A compound word is two words put together to give a different meaning. We can use an example. My first word is egg. An egg is an oval or round object laid by a female bird, reptile, fish, or invertebrate. And an egg is what you can see in the picture. I believe all of you Year 1 students know what is an egg. My second word is plant. And a plant is a living organism. And it's like trees, mosses, herbs, grasses, and a lot more. Now, if I put the two words together, I'm going to have egg and plant. And I'm going to have eggplant, which gives me a totally different meaning. Can you guess what it means? Now my new word is eggplant, and it's the purple egg-shaped fruit or vegetable of a tropical old world plant, and a lot of people love eating it. It's full of iron and it's extremely healthy. And now my lovely Year 1 students, we're going to study together all the words in the three different groups that we have: the lemon group, the melon group, and the honeydew group. My first list is the lemon group, the high frequency words, and we start with the word because, put, could, should, would. I am a responsible student because I do all my homework independently. Can you put the food inside the fridge? When it rained, I couldn't do my daily jogging. You should always be happy. When I grow older, I would travel the world. Now the words we have in the melon group are doorbell, footpath, hairbrush. I like the sound of the doorbell. Along the footpath, roses grow. I use the hairbrush every morning. And my last list of words is my honeydew words: windmill, sunflower, bedroom, beanbag. Windmills are useful and eco-friendly. Sunflowers are cheerful. I have an organized bedroom. I have a colorful beanbag. Compound words are easy to learn. I was so happy learning more about it. I thought it was too easy. I'm sure I'm gonna win the competition. No one can beat me. See you in Unit 10. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.